In Guangzhou's Huangpu district, the first GAC GOVY AirCab has officially rolled off the production line, marking the shift from prototype development into full-scale manufacturing, airworthiness work, and commercialization. The new facility is built as a full-process manufacturing site, covering component matching, final assembly, and finished delivery, with a planned annual capacity of 100 units. You see the sleek, futuristic AirCab body made with over 90% aviation-grade carbon fiber composites. Workers and advanced robotic arms move in a synchronized dance along the pulsating assembly line, where positioning hits an impressive plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. The GOVY AirCab features a 6-axis, 12-rotor setup for stable vertical takeoff and landing, perfect for short hops in crowded cities. Its onboard platform delivers over 500 tera operations per second of processing power, powering a Level 4 intelligent driving system. To navigate tight urban corridors safely, the AirCab is armed with a RoboSense EM4 digital LiDAR, which delivers an ultra-high resolution of over 500 lines to map the surrounding airspace with flawless clarity. This is backed by an array of millimeter-wave radars and a sophisticated multi-eye high-definition camera network that provides a continuous 360-degree optical tracking matrix to instantly identify obstacles, buildings, and other aircraft. The battery system is described as having high-density cylindrical cells with 25-minute fast charging, and it can go from 50% to 100% charge in about 15 minutes. This gives it about 30 kilometers of range per charge, which is ideal for quick city hops. The pre-order price is capped at 1.68 million yuan, with deliveries beginning by the end of 2026.